Anything with feathers absolutely has to fly.
Fly, why must they fly?
Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try,